With over 2 billion monthly active users, YouTube has become one of the most powerful social media platforms on the internet. From makeup tutorials to gaming videos, YouTube has a wide variety of content creators who have monetized their channels and made a fortune. We will explore the proven methods of making money with YouTube and learn how to monetize your channel effectively. Types of content that work well for monetization. One of the most important factors in monetizing your YouTube channel is creating content that people want to watch. There are various types of content that work well for monetization, such as tutorials, reviews, vlogs, and more. For example, the beauty guru, James Charles, has over 25 million subscribers and monetizes his channel through makeup tutorials and reviews. Another popular YouTuber, PewDiePie, has over 110 million subscribers and monetizes his channel through gaming videos and commentary. Building an engaged audience. Building an engaged audience is essential for monetizing your YouTube channel. You need people who are interested in your content, regularly watch your videos, and interact with your channel. One of the best ways to build an engaged audience is by creating high-quality content consistently. You should also interact with your viewers through comments and social media to build a community around your channel. Optimizing video titles, descriptions, tags, and thumbnails. Optimizing your video titles, descriptions, tags, and thumbnails is crucial for maximum visibility and engagement. You should use relevant keywords in your titles and descriptions, and your thumbnails should be eye-catching and reflect the content of your video. You should also use relevant tags that accurately describe your video to help it show up in search results. Monetization methods. There are several monetization methods available for YouTube channels, and each has its benefits and potential drawbacks. One of the most common methods is ads, where you earn money based on the number of views and clicks on ads shown during your videos. Another popular method is sponsorships, where companies pay you to promote their products or services in your videos. You can also monetize your channel through merchandise, such as t-shirts and other branded items, and affiliate marketing, where you earn a commission on sales generated through your unique link. In conclusion, making money with YouTube is possible, but it requires effort, dedication, and a lot of hard work. By creating high-quality content consistently, building an engaged audience, and optimizing your video titles, descriptions, tags, and thumbnails, you can maximize your visibility and increase your chances of success. Additionally, by understanding the various monetization methods available and choosing the ones that work best for your channel, you can turn your passion for creating videos into a profitable business.